Is it safe to use a welding mask as a substitution for a pair of Eclipse glasses when viewing a partial solar eclipse or just looking at the sun in general? Well, the answer, unsurprisingly, depends on what level of filter mask you are using in your welding mask. So according to the American Astronomical Society, a welding mask filter must be at a level 12 or above to be safe for solar viewing. All welding filters will have the number clearly listed at the top. This is a number 12 I have here in my hand. However, although a number 12 is rated safe, for me personally, I have light colored eyes. When I look at the sun through a level 12 filter, the sun is too bright to be comfortable. It's not doing any damage to my eyes, but it sort of strains. I can't look at it for very long. It's just not a pleasant experience. So for me, I actually have a level 14 in my welding mask. And this for me is perfectly pleasant for looking at the sun, not straining my eyes, anything like that. When I look at the sun through my welding mask, I see it as a kind of greeny color, so very different in appearance to the sort of red or white that you get from solar eclipse glasses. Now, you will be able to see the sun up to a level 15 welding mask filter. So between 12 and 15, you'll be able to observe the sun, and 13 and 14 for me personally make out the sweet spot. If you want to know more about solar eclipses and how to observe them in creative ways, please give me a follow. And I also recommend my brand new book, Little Book of Eclipses, and I'll put a link for that down below.